While India celebrates Republic Day, marking the adoption of its constitution and its commitment to democratic ideals, Australia celebrates Australia Day, reflecting its rich heritage, unity and progress.
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, केम छो एंड नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है सिद्धार्थ नागपुरकर। मैं एक एक्टर हूँ, डांसर हूँ और एक मास्टर ऑफ सेरेमनीज़ भी हूँ। और हम आज इस शाम पहुँच चुके हैं सनपैक में। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, FICQ यानी फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियंस इन क्वींसलैंड के 76th रिपब्लिक डे सेलिब्रेशंस के लिए। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे बहुत सारे परफॉर्मर्स रेडी हो रहे हैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए, और डिग्निटरीज भी रेडी होने वाले हैं अंदर जाने के लिए, बिकॉज द इवेंट इज़ अबाउट टू स्टार्ट. So let's take a sneak peek in before the event begins. Come on through.
Let us celebrate not only the progress we have made, but also the opportunities that lie ahead. Let us renew our commitment to make stronger ties between India and Australia while cherishing the multicultural harmony that defines our life here in Queensland.
Ladies and gentlemen, the relationship between our two great countries is a shining example of how two nations, diverse in culture, yet united in values, can come together to create a partnership that is not only comprehensive, strategic, but also deeply personal.
big thank you to our member organisations. Without you, this organisation doesn't exist, and these events will not be possible. So thank you to all our member organisations today.
So I've got the Indoz TV mic. I've got Rudro here.
Yeah.
Hey Rudro, so we're here at the Republic Day celebrations.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about your experience. How'd you find it this evening?
Oh, it was pretty good. There was
Yeah.
a lot of entertaining performances, good speeches by all the politicians. Yeah, very enjoyable.
And are you a performer yourself? Are you into the arts or anything?
Yeah, so I play saxophone and
nice.
tabla as well. So.
Oh, me too.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I've been
Yeah,
learning
man.
for about 10 years.
Oh hey, yeah, that's
Awesome,
good. Yeah,
awesome.
good. So.
Well, when do we get to see you perform on stage?
Oh, I'm not too sure about that yet.
We'll change that up for next year, hopefully.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see. Yeah.
Thanks, man. Thank you so much. Alrighty, now we have the founders of Sargam Music Academy. I've got Mithun Chakraborty here with me. How has your experience been tonight? Great performance, by the way, from your music school.
Thank you.
How long have you been doing this for? Tell us a bit more about it.
Well, Sargam Music Academy is more than 10 years now in Brisbane. And it's absolute pleasure to be here today and wish everyone Happy Republic Day and Australia Day. So it's absolute pleasure to be part of it and also the performing the national anthem.
Yes, of both nations, mind you, as well. And they did a fantastic job. They always do. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alrighty, so I've got the Vice President of FICQ here with me. They've put up a fantastic show this evening, hosting the 76th Indian Republic Day celebrations here at Sunpack, Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. कैसा लगा आपका एक्सपीरियंस? मतलब इतना बफे सिस्टम लगा है, अंदर भांगड़ा चल रहा है. You've put up a fantastic show today. Thank you so much, and tell us a bit more about how this all conspired.
Thank you, Sid Bhai. So it's been 13 years since FICQ has been organizing this event, and it's never been the same, right? So, and it's great to have so many community leaders, so many dignitaries, which showcases the value. You know, it's an Indian Day plus an Australian Day, and it showcases the commitment that they have made for the community, Indian community, and that's why they are all here. I better go and now get going with the food and the dinner side of things. So
Well, thank you so
very
much. Thank you. That was the Vice President of FICQ, Mr. Abhishek Sharma. Thank you. All right, now we've got the Cultural Coordinator of FICQ. You've put up a fantastic show. A few glitches here and there, but that's part and parcel of the game, obviously. What are your thoughts?
I think it was an amazing celebration today, and I know Sid is a part of that. Siddharth has done MC of our event today, second part of the event, and I'm very proud of this young man. He's always been there for us and has supported us. So Federation of Indian Communities, I have been working with them for the last 6-7 years now and being a part of the team as a cultural coordinator. So I had the pleasure of organising this event today behind the stage.
Thank you, Jyoti ji, and we hope that there'll be many such occasions in the near future. Thank you. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Bopati. I'm from Maniquest. I'm a finance specialist, and I'm here to sponsor the event for FICQ, and I wish Australia Day and I wish Indian Republic Day. Happy Republic Day and Australia Day. Thank you.